Ariel's out here with us.
For her first time in the snow.
Yeah. Yeah, Ariel's first time in the snow.
Does she like it?
Yeah, she does.
Yeah.
I can't really see her face because the coat's covering it. So we're going to go on the trampoline with lots of snow on it.
Go on then. Let's enjoy this snow. Then you're going to have some nice chocolate ready breakfast when you get in, aren't you?
Yes, it's chocolate porridge.
Chocolate porridge.
Oh, God! You know how weird this is. Yeah, I know. Unless you've done it before. Yeah. Pick up some snow, Tyler, and have a snowball fight. No way. On the trampoline. No. Huh?
Ah.
Oh, God.
Oh, he's hit.
Snowball.
Right. Yeah, jump. I want to see what happens.
Oh, my goodness, it's cracking snow. Oh, no, it's slippery. Yeah, I know. So that means we have to have... Oh, my God.
It's slippery. What do you think of the snow, Ariel? Hey?
Oh, my God.
Do you like the snow? Are you just watching your brother and sister?
Oh, God. Oh, God. This is awesome.
Whoa, it is slippy. Some more snow coming down, bigger snowflakes.
Yeah.
It's still really slippy.
I love it.
And what are you thinking of this snow? Not too much, really. Hey, you're looking at the snow coming down. You're like a little snow bear. Hey, should we say, see you in a bit, big brother and sister. We're going to go in and make some breakfast. Hey.
You can't wait to do this.
No, she's watching you two.
Hello.
Right, we're going to head in then.
Okay, so this is post-it blanket to get snow. Do you want me to do it? Oh. Yeah. Oh God, that thing is hard. Oh no. And then. God.
Hi, good morning. We have a lot of snow that has covered everything, but we've really enjoyed it this morning. We've looked at some animal tracks that have been left in the garden. These are the cat prints. We've also found bird prints as well, which has been really good. Children have loved it. And we also, let's go this way. Oh, Daddy found a big icicle which has all melted now. I'm trying to insert some photos of it, but we measured how long it was and then we guessed how long it would take to melt, and it took 25 minutes in the end and was 18.5 centimeters long. And the kids really enjoyed that. Hello.
Hi.
Busy building a den that they're gonna use to do their volcano work in. So we've used blankets and pillows, oh my goodness, to make it all. That's really good.
And if we need another blanket, I'll sacrifice my blanket.
There you go. So we've got all that to do.
So
And
we might need 6 blankets, which means both blankets.
yeah, you never know.
I use my blanket.
Yeah, excellent. So yes, we've just got we've got our volcano project to do. So we've got the laptop all ready to go onto the big computer, and I've also printed off some worksheets for them to do. So they've got to plot where volcanoes are on the maps and answer a few questions. And while they're doing that, I think Ariel, say hello. You're going to enjoy hello. You're going to enjoy some sensory time, maybe on your black and white area. Put some more toys out for you. You might sit with the kiddies and watch. And I'm probably going to tackle the washing up. So that's our plan for the rest of the day. Shall let you know how it goes. Right, so now they're busy plotting where volcanoes we've got. Ella May's the announcer and is telling Tyler which ones to do, and Tyler is the plotter and colouring in where the volcanoes are.
And then Tyler's going to do that one, and I'm going to do
Yep, because we've got a few more worksheets to go through. Well, create your own eruption. Do you want to get a spoon, a little spoon or a fork to mix it, Tyler? Are you enjoying the ducks? Yeah. Let's get it mixed up then, yeah? Try a bit more than that.
He's doing it.
Is it starting to change?
See that bit? That's getting stickier. It's getting stickier.
Ah, excellent.
Barely anything.
That's it.
You just do a little bit at a time, so that's why I keep
Yep.
sipping.
So you're putting the water in, and then I'm stirring. And like he said, it's getting harder, didn't you?
Yeah, and
So
it
we've
is.
got to make it into a paste. That's it.
So I have to pour this out until it stinks.
So you get to 100, can you
And
see?
it's heavy.
Mm.
So can you do it?
Okay, you tell me when it gets to 100 then. See the 100 mark here?
Oh, I thought that one.
No, that's 1,000. So look down here, tell me when I get to 100.
I'm supposed to do it. And I'm just good. Stop. Yep, that's enough.
Yeah?
Yep.
You good with that?
Yep.
Yeah. Okay.
Now how much is this?
3 drops, 3 or 4 drops, so you can choose.
Can I go? Can I do that?
No, because you did the vinegar.
No, I didn't.
You did some of it anyway.
Yeah.
So,
Do I just tip it upside down? Or
Yeah.
that just
That smells delicious.
yeah, that's probably enough.
Oopsies.
That's okay.
Oh.
Right, I'm going to pour this into here.
You got to mix it up.
Let's see. No, it just says pour it in.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, vinegar is really strong.
It's toxicating my air.
May then smell this.
Vinegar toxicates your air.
Is it not made to make bubbles?
Oh yeah.
Not
No.
doing that again.
Doing what?
It's the perfect amount, isn't it?
It is.
I'm doing what? I mean, Tyler doing what?
I accidentally made. No, I'm
Okay,
not
so
making
someone needs to cut
You
that off.
Yeah, I made you do that.
Okay.
Do not trust me with that.
Why?
Wow, okay. You can get a tablespoon of that.
That's right.
What should I do it over?
And then you see this like bit
Oh,
here,
yeah,
the crater bit of it.
Yeah, can I do that?
No, I'm supposed to pour it in.
Yeah, no, that, not the Colombian part.
Mum,
That bit.
Yeah.
it's too much. Just need to-
All of it.
I reckon it probably is going to be all of it, isn't it? Yeah. Just
Yeah, it's all
cut it down. That looks good to me.
in there.
Yeah. That's it.
Oh,
That's
no.
okay.
Ooh. So,
Is everybody ready?
That's there.
Five.
Tyler, are you doing the
Looks
squeezing?
red.
Can I just squeeze
Yeah,
it?
I'm just going to make sure it's on.
I really want to hold it tight, but I'm not allowed. Okay. Is everybody ready?
Oh, I'm
Ah,
scared.
I got it.
No,
Okay, so
that's about
it
the
says
whole thing.
like slow, don't do it too quick, so slow and steady.
Okay, go.
Yeah.
Before I do this,
Yeah.
comment down below what you think it's gonna do.
Mm. You can help you pick it up and
If it's gonna blow up the whole house or just go like that around the edges and go there.
How on earth do you do this?
Oh, it's going, Tyler.
I'm squeezing it.
Like that? Like that?
Oh.
Oh!
What's it doing?
It's foaming.
Whoa!
Can I have a go now?
Keep going.
Whoa!
Oh, bubble.
Oh.
Oh my goodness.
Yay.
That's what we call a volcano.
So that would be the lava, wouldn't it?
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh, took it back in.
It's going back in. Can I have a go?
Yeah, now you can, yeah. Whoa! If you can see that, it's going in kind of a different colour. Whoa! I hope
Keep going.
everybody sees this.
I hope everyone in the whole world sees it.
I know. Whoa! Even a bit of theirs gone
Oh,
there.
can you do it now?
Okay, can I have a go again? Or you can have a go, Mum.
Oh, look at it now, look at it go.
Oh,
Oh my
no,
gosh.
we should have
Dad?
done the paint thing.
Dad,
Mhm.
do you want to have a go?
Wait, what's that? Why are you doing
Do
that?
you
Oh,
want?
look, it's all gone over the side.
No!
Don't think that's supposed to happen, or it probably is.
Yeah,
Probably is.
probably.
Do you want to have a go, Dad?
No, I'm
Oh,
alright.
did you hear that?
Happy for you guys to
did.
just. Oh, look, now it's all collapsing in, look.
How's it collapsing in?
Don't
no. Oh,
say.
Yay, look at that.
Whee!
Oh no! My turn.
Okay, keep on pushing. Well, that is super cool.
Can you do it now?
Okay.
Oh, this is awesome.
Yeah, we're gonna have to do a bit of cleaning after this.
Yeah. I
This
know.
is super cool. I'm glad we recorded this.
Yeah. And then it just also
Oh,
plays.
overflow.
Overflow! I want to touch it.
Okay.
Oh, it feels nice.
That's real.
It wouldn't.
Oh yeah, that feels like ice cream.
Wait, really?
Oh,
It feels like melted ice cream. Yeah. I'm not gonna lick it.
Wow, more of it, look.
Can I have a go now?
And then
Oh no. This is
go!
really awesome.
Well, that does not.
That isn't doing anything. Oh my gosh, Tyler, you're actually doing it. You're doing it. Creating bubbles.
Yeah, this is not the easiest.
no, it's quite tough.
Now.
Why don't you see how you're gonna do another one? Excellent. What do you think to that then? Being able to cut your own cucumber now?
Guys,
Yeah?
really good.
Excellent. Okay, Tyler, so what have you found on our walk?
Right there.
Let's have a look. There it is. First one we've seen this year, isn't it?
What's the date?
The 5th?
5th of March.
5th or
So we've
4th?
seen our first ladybird on the 5th of March, look.
How cool is
So
that?
that again is got to be a sign that spring's on its way,
Yeah.
surely.
All the snow has finally gone, and now we've got our ladybird. How cool is that?
Yeah, it's interesting.
And Ariel, can you see?
Oh my gosh, he's going onto a leaf.
Hey babe,
Hi.
enjoying the sunshine
Yeah.
with your latte?
My latte.
Yeah,
My posh coffee, eh?
yeah, posh coffee.
My cup of milk with my cup of milk
with a hint of coffee flavour.
with some brown food colouring in it.
Oh, this is nice though, isn't it? Beats all that snow that we had. Yeah,
That was awful, really.
yeah. And there's the littlest one. I don't know if that's getting enough, but having a snooze.
She's fast asleep.
Yeah.
You can't feel her like that.
Yeah, not bad, thanks. I just want to get my thumb back. She's sucking on my thumb. Bless her.
Is she?
And she's falling asleep like that.
They're like just hold it with 2 hands. What are you doing? How do we hold it? You know what? I'm gonna switch you in the salt water, okay? No. I'm going to
What, you haven't done to your house?